Two single cats versus water, the ultimate summer struggle. It's summer, the sun is blazing, and these two single cat brothers are melting.
Bro, it's so hot. I think my fur is on fire.
I swear, I just saw my soul leaving my body from heat exhaustion.
Lucky for them, Mom has a solution. A little water to cool them off.
It's a trap. Retreat.
Wait, is that what? No way.
And just like that, their fear of water is stronger than their need for survival.
Oh, so you're gonna let the heat win? Fine, I got this.
Ah, that actually feels kinda nice.
Wait, this isn't so bad.
Mission accomplished. Sometimes. Moms just know best.
Okay, maybe a little water isn't that bad.
But don't ever pour it on me.
And so, the two single cat brothers survived the summer barely. But one thing's for sure, water will always be their mortal enemy.